Welcome back to Brainspace. Today, I've got something really powerful to share with you. Something that'll completely flip the script on your dating life. Most guys spend all their time chasing women, trying to impress them, and let's be real. It rarely works out the way they want, right? But here's the deal. You don't have to be like most guys. If you do things right, you can get girls to chase you instead. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to make that happen. Step 1. Develop unshakable confidence. All right, the first thing you need to understand is that everything starts with confidence. I'm not talking about fake confidence or trying to act like someone you're not. I mean real, unshakable confidence that comes from within. When you're secure in yourself, women can sense it immediately, and trust me, they're drawn to it. Most guys try to win women over by being overly nice or trying too hard. Don't be that guy. Instead, focus on you. Build yourself up mentally, physically, and emotionally. Work on your passions, improve your fitness, and invest in your personal growth. When you feel good about yourself, you naturally give off a vibe that women find irresistible. Step 2. Don't put her on a pedestal. Here's a major mistake most guys make. They put the woman they're interested in on a pedestal. They act like she's some kind of prize they have to win. But guess what? Women aren't attracted to guys who worship them. They want someone who sees them as equals and doesn't treat them like they're above everything else. When you stop acting like she's out of your league and start treating her like a normal person, you're showing her that you value yourself. And that's super attractive. Remember, confidence is about knowing your worth, not seeking her validation. Step 3. Build mystery and intrigue. Let me tell you something most guys never get. Women love mystery. If you're an open book right from the start, where's the excitement? Instead, let her get curious about you. Share things about yourself, but don't give everything away too soon. Let her wonder what you're all about, what your goals are, and what you do in your free time. Mystery keeps her interested in wanting to know more. When you're unpredictable in a good way, she'll chase you just to figure you out. Step 4. Have a purpose bigger than her. Here's something that separates the guys who get chased from the guys who do the chasing. Purpose. You need to have a life that excites you outside of dating. A guy with ambition, drive, and goals is naturally attractive. Women want to be part of a man's world, but they also want to see that he's focused on something bigger than her. If your entire life revolves around her, she'll lose interest. But when you're passionate about your work, your hobbies, and your future, she'll respect you, and she'll want to be part of that exciting journey. Step 5. Don't be so available. Most guys make themselves way too available, thinking it'll win her over. But guess what? Scarcity creates value. If you're always texting her, always making plans, always trying to be around, you're taking away the excitement. Instead, make her miss you. Be busy with your life and your passions. Don't be at her beck and call. When she sees that you're not dropping everything just for her, she'll start to wonder why. She'll begin chasing your attention because now you're the one that's not fully available. And let me tell you, that creates attraction. Step 6. Play it cool, even when she shows interest. So here's where a lot of guys get tripped up. When a girl finally starts showing interest, they go all in, like 0 to 100 real quick. But here's the thing. Don't rush in. Keep playing it cool. Just because she's showing interest doesn't mean you should drop your confidence and start acting desperate. Stay steady, maintain your cool, and keep being the guy that she's been chasing. Let her invest in the relationship too. Women want to feel like they've earned your attention, not like it was handed to them too easily. Step 7. Let her come to you. Finally, once you've built this attraction and created an exciting, confident vibe, let her come to you. It's all about reversing the dynamic. Instead of chasing her, let her chase you. And don't be afraid to let her initiate things, whether it's texting first, making plans, or expressing her interest. Women love a man who's confident enough to let her come to him. By creating space for her to invest, you're building a relationship where she feels like she's earned your attention, and that makes the connection even stronger. Quick bonus tip here. Being kind and respectful is always key, but don't mistake kindness for being overly eager. Some guys confuse the two and end up losing their power by being too accommodating. Stay kind, but don't bend over backwards just to win her approval. Confidence, respect, and self-assuredness are what will keep her interested in you. All right, guys, that's the game plan. If you don't want to be like most guys who spend all their time chasing women, follow these steps to turn the tables and get them to chase you instead. It's all about confidence, mystery, and having a life that's exciting. Drop a comment below and let me know what works for you when it comes to attracting women. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on relationships and self-improvement. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, keep it cool, stay confident, and remember, you're the prize.